My hands on my first skincare mini fridge. Let's pack this thing.
Good Molecules is having their Black Friday festival now until Cyber Monday at midnight. 25% off site-wide and 30% off bundles. I have acne-prone skin that's also very dry, and here are my favorites. The hyaluronic acid keeps my skin glowing and hydrated. The discoloration correcting serum got rid of so much of my hyperpigmentation after Accutane, and the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel gets rid of all my puffiness.
It's the next morning and my skincare has been in the fridge overnight, and I'm so excited to try it out. Hyaluronic acid, wow. Having my skin stay hydrated is really important to me. Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Talk about depuffing. All of a sudden my skin's glowing.
Shop these Black Friday festival deals in my bio now. Good Molecules literally rocks. Love you guys. Bye.